تذكروا شلون بنحط لكم لقطته شو يقول حق الاذاعات الاجنبيه التي تريد النيل من هذه غسان ضيف. وخلينا نشوف.
We are calling for help for all the countries in the world. We call for help here in Bahrain. We cannot tolerate this. We cannot bear this. The hospital is full of casualties. All the medical staff are running all over the place. There are victims thrown in the road. Nobody can free them. Nobody can bring them to the hospital. It's a chaos here in the hospital. That's the way I describe it. We call for an urgent call for everybody in the world. United States, European Union, all the Arab leagues, all the Arab countries. Please do come here to help us. We are an innocent people. They haven't done anything. They have just demonstrated peacefully. They were on their way to the hospital and they were shot dead. We have a lot of deaths here. I cannot describe the situation. It's awful. It's awful. That's the way we can describe it. It's chaos. The hospital is full of casualties. All the medical staff are running on their feet. It's quite difficult to accommodate all of these casualties. The hospital is nearly full. We've taken all patients to the theater. We took patients to the ICU. The accident emergency is full of casualties. It is unbelievable scene. It's undescribable.
Doctor, I know that you have a job to do there, and we appreciate you talking to us. Can you update us on the number of people that you believe have died?
It's uncountable, my friend. It's uncountable. It's very difficult to count the number of casualties. We can't even identify them because they don't even hold their IDs. They were thrown on the roads. There are tens, if not hundreds of people are just still on the road. The ambulance cannot reach them. They were stopped by the police guard. They can't access them. It is very hard to describe the situation. It is really, really hard. It's unbelievable, as if we are in a war. These people are innocent. They don't hold machine guns. They don't hold swords, as the government has said. These are just innocent demonstrators. It's unbelievable. It's really unbelievable. We call for urgent help. The ministers, the foreign ministers who were there in Bahrain yesterday should call for help for people, not to support the government who is killing their people. It's very hard to describe the situation. I mean, it's awful.
يعني شفتوا شلون؟ شفتوا الكذب؟ شفتوا الافتراء على بلاده؟ يمثل ويكاد أن يبكي ويتباكى بدموع التماسيح. يقول مئات القتلى، عشرات القتلى، بل مئات القتلى، الجثث ملقية في الشوارع ما نقدر نوصلها. هذه حكي على بلادك. مئات القتلى. حرام عليك تبلغ الإذاعات والتلفزيونات في العالم هذا استشاري بحريني صرفت عليه البحرين ودرسته وعلمته وربته على الأخلاق الحميدة على قول الصدق. وين كلمة الصدق عند الطبيب؟